Have you ever wondered if there are blind spots in our understanding of the universe, specifically in science and religion? In our quest to comprehend the world around us, we've made tremendous strides in both scientific and spiritual realms. But even as we marvel at the vastness of our knowledge, it's crucial to acknowledge that there might be aspects we're missing. These are our blind spots. In science, these blind spots can result in a fragmented understanding of the universe as we try to make sense of it through the lens of empirical evidence and logical reasoning. Religion, on the other hand, seeks to illuminate our understanding through faith and spirituality. Still, it too has its blind spots, leading to interpretations that might not fully capture the essence of our existence. The intriguing part is that these blind spots aren't necessarily negative. They present us with the opportunity to question, to explore, and to deepen our understanding. They push us to evolve our perspectives and challenge our preconceived notions continually. As we delve deeper, we will realize that these blind spots have significant implications. They shape not only our understanding of the universe, but also our role and purpose within it. So, let's explore these blind spots and see what we might discover. Science, a field revered for its objectivity and accuracy, isn't immune to blind spots. As we delve deeper into the annals of history, we find that our understanding of the world once hinged on a singular worldview, one that Christianity dominated. This worldview, as you might expect, was deeply intertwined with moral and spiritual interpretations of our existence. However, with the dawning of the Enlightenment era, a shift occurred. Natural science emerged, offering a new lens through which to perceive and understand our world. The focus shifted from divine interpretations to empirical evidence and faith to facts. Yet this shift wasn't without its own set of challenges. One such challenge was the emergence of what we refer to as the Enlightenment gap. This gap signifies a significant disconnect between the objective knowledge offered by science and the subjective experiences that make up our human existence. For instance, while science can explain the biochemical reactions that result in emotions, it fails to capture the subjective experience of these emotions. This blind spot has far-reaching impacts across various scientific domains. In physics, for instance, we grapple with the paradox of quantum mechanics and general relativity. In biology, we struggle to comprehend consciousness fully. In social sciences, we wrestle with the complexity of human behavior and societal structures. These blind spots, these gaps in our understanding, have led to a somewhat fragmented view of our world. We have a wealth of knowledge, yes, but this knowledge often falls short of encapsulating the totality of our existence. It is clear that these scientific blind spots have resulted in a fragmented understanding of our world, leading us to question the completeness of our knowledge. Religion, on the other hand, has its blind spots. The beauty of religion often lies in its ability to provide a framework for understanding the world around us, to offer comfort in times of distress, and to unite communities under shared beliefs. Yet, like any human institution, it's not without its limitations. When we speak of blind spots in religion, we refer to areas where religious doctrines may not account for new scientific discoveries. This isn't to say that religion and science are inherently incompatible. Instead, it reflects that religious texts were written when our understanding of the universe vastly differed from what we know today. Consider, for example, the concept of the Earth's place in the universe. For centuries, many religious texts posited that the Earth was the center of the universe. However, with the advent of modern astronomy, we now know this is not the case. Our planet is just one of countless celestial bodies in a vast cosmos. This leads us to a potential conflict between religious beliefs and empirical evidence. For some, scientific discoveries challenge their religious beliefs, creating a tension between maintaining faith and accepting the scientific worldview. For others, they find ways to reconcile their beliefs with these discoveries, interpreting religious texts in a way that aligns with our evolving understanding of the universe. Such a conflict can lead to a disconnect, where individuals may feel torn between their religious and scientific communities. It can result in isolation, confusion, and even a crisis of faith. It's also worth noting that not all religions, or even all interpretations within a single religion, will have the same blind spots. The diversity of religious thought is as vast as the cosmos, with countless interpretations and perspectives. Hence, it is evident that religion has its blind spots, leading to a potential disconnect with the evolving understanding of the universe. But what if we could bridge these blind spots? That's where the unified theory of knowledge, or UT-HOG, comes into play. This comprehensive perspective seeks to bridge the gap between scientific language and subjective human experience. It's about acknowledging that our understanding of the world isn't solely dependent on scientific data, but also on our lived experiences. Think of it this way: our existence isn't just a series of chemical reactions or mathematical equations. It's also comprised of emotions, perceptions, and sensations, things that can't be quantified or measured, but are just as natural. The UT-HOG reminds us that science and human experience aren't mutually exclusive. Instead, they should be integrated to form a more complete understanding of the universe. This isn't about dismissing science or belittling human experience. It's about acknowledging the value and finding a way to merge them. By bridging these blind spots, we can hope to achieve a more holistic understanding of the universe. In our journey today, we have explored the existence of blind spots in science and religion. We've delved into the fragmented and chaotic understanding that may emerge due to these blind spots, often leading to a disconnect between scientific knowledge and human experience. It's what some refer to as the enlightenment gap. We also touched upon the historical shift from a singular worldview dominated by Christianity to the emergence of natural science. This shift has not been without its challenges and blind spots. Moreover, we discussed the need for a fundamental revision in our philosophy of science to integrate human experience into our understanding of the world. The proposed solution, the unified theory of knowledge, offers a comprehensive perspective to bridge the gap between scientific language and subjective experience. It's a fascinating concept that could bring us closer to a more holistic understanding of our reality. As we continue to explore the universe, we must acknowledge these blind spots and strive to bridge them. Only then can we hope to understand the world around us genuinely. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the blind spots of science and religion. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the historical shift in worldviews and blind spots that emerged to the fascinating concept of a unified theory of knowledge. We hope that this exploration has sparked your curiosity and deepened your understanding of the world around us. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, we invite you to like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Your support helps us continue to create educational content that bridges the gaps in our understanding and challenges us to think more deeply about the world around us. Remember, knowledge is a journey, not a destination. So until next time, keep exploring, questioning, and growing. We'll see you on our next journey into the unknown. Thank you for your support and being a part of our community of curious minds.